Hi, M5878. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, sir and ma'am. I'm Jennifer Uri. I live in Kailaw, Katman, Santa Maria, Bulacan. I'm 43 years old. I'm a single mom. And I have son, 19 years old,
Your religion
Roman Catholic,
and your highest educational
high
attainment.
school graduate.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper.
I'm working before in Abu Dhabi. I know how to cook. I know how to iron, washing the dishes, and taking care of baby. And
Okay, so how many members of the family do you serve,
three.
including the newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you know how to prepare a meal for a newborn, right?
Yes, sir.
And you are willing to take care of a newborn.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If the newborn is crying, what will you do?
I check the temperature and I feed the baby and also change the diaper.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you do everything, and the baby doesn't stop to cry, what will you do?
I will call her mother and I tell her the baby is crying.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I have son in his students college and I want to finish his study and I want to help my sister and my brother and high salary.
Okay, so you want to work in Hong Kong because of high salary and to help your family.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
2 years and more than 2 years.
So it is okay to you to extended your contract.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, but I'm willing to learn.
And how will you learn to cook Chinese food?
I check the YouTube and I'm asking the madam.
Okay, you will ask your madam and
Yes.
sir if they could teach you because maybe your employers have a time to teach you how to prepare Chinese food, so they can teach you how to prepare, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs with other helper.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share room with kids.
Yes, sir.
How about work on Sunday or in a holiday setup by your employer?
It's okay, sir.
It is okay to you to take care of pets.
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of elderly, helping them go to bed, to bathroom? It
Yes,
is
sir.
okay with you?
Yes, sir. Okay.
How about learning Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English? It is okay with you to learn Cantonese?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
Sir, mom, please hire me. I'm hardworking and I know how to I know how to clean, taking care of baby, and I give my best. And
Okay.
please give me a chance to work with you and to your family. Thank you, sir and mom.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Jennifer.
Thank you, sir.